If you want to make a very delicious homemade mango ice cream, then you need this recipe. And the good part is you only need 3 ingredients. To get started, I'm peeling 2 large ripe mangoes that I had already cleaned. I'm first of all slicing them, and then I'm going to dice them into my desired sizes. And then put them in the freezer so they can harden a little bit. And after a few hours, my mangoes are a little hardened. I'm going to put them into my blender and then blend them into a puree. Next, I am using 3 3/4 cup of heavy cream. I've shared with you a recipe on how to make your heavy cream at home. You can find it in this channel or on my Facebook page. I then went in with my electric hand mixer, whisked the heavy cream until it had doubled up and formed a stiff peak. By doing this, I'm incorporating air, making it fluffy, creamy and smooth. Right here, I'm adding in 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk. You can find this recipe on how to make sweetened condensed milk at home, and you can find that recipe here in one of my old videos. And finally, I'm now adding in the mango puree, and actually I just used like only 1 large mango. This mango puree took our ice cream recipe to another level. And then I whisk everything up together for like 1 minute just to make sure that everything is well incorporated. I then went in with some few drops of orange food color. This is very optional. I did not measure. I just used as much as I thought was enough to give me the outcome I was looking for. And right there, I'm going in with my spatula just to make sure that we're reaching everything and every corner of this ice cream is well mixed up. And finally went in with my hand mixer just to make sure that everything is well incorporated. I'm now packaging it into my little ice cream cups. What is going to be left, I'm going to put it into a larger bowl and then put it in my freezer overnight, but 4 or 6 hours is enough in the freezer. And then you have to make sure that everything is well covered up. Right there, I'm using some aluminum foil and some sticks. Then here we are the following day. My ice cream is well formed and we are ready to enjoy. And look at that. Isn't that looking amazing? And at this point, I want to thank you for watching my videos, and I also kindly request you to subscribe so you help me grow this channel. And now it is a time for me to serve and enjoy. And let me tell you that this mango ice cream was tasting amazing. And this is a must-try recipe. And I want to appreciate you for watching my videos. Thank you for your likes and your comments. I really do appreciate you. So until we meet in the next video, may the Lord bless you. May the Lord keep you. May He watch over you. And may He give you peace. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.